So today we're going to be working on our forehead area. So you want to ideally have a bit of face oil on your skin already, and you want to have your Gua Sha tool like this. And we're going to start by placing our fingers here in the middle of the forehead with our Gua Sha tool here and gently sweep all the way out like this. We're going to go 7 on each side. We're going to go on the other side, take the inside curve of the tool, move all the way out to the temples like this. And ideally you want to keep your Gua Sha tool here at a 15 to 45 degree angle. You never want to go straight on like this. It's better to keep it just at an angle like this. This is going to help with those horizontal lines here on our forehead and also releasing any tension and boosting that circulation. Wonderful. So the next exercise we're going to do is it's going to be like 2 little curves right here. So place them right here, right between the eyebrow, and we're going to slide it all the way up and moving to the sides here. Again, helping to release any of that tension, boosting that circulation. Remember, gentle movements when we're working with the Gua Sha tool here, always working at an angle. Wonderful. So these are some wonderful techniques to help lift and tone this whole forehead area here, boosting any circulation and releasing tension. So next we're going to be working on our eye area. So I'll see you in the next one.